Welcome back to our channel ERPZEN, your go-to space for simplifying Oracle Fusion Finance. In today's session, we will dive into Account Inspector, a powerful tool that helps you analyze balances, drill down into transactions, and get real-time insights into your ledgers. Whether you are a beginner or experienced consultant, this walkthrough will make the Account Inspector crystal clear and easy to use. So let's get started. Account Inspector. If you assign General Accounting Manager, you will be able to see this functionality. By using this functionality, we will review what are all the balances against a specific account. Account Inspector comes with three different options: inquire and analyze balances, inquire on detail balances, inquire on general lines. Now let's say the cash account. Our cash account. Let us see what is the cash account. 11202. Now let's say 11202 is my cash account and I wanted to know how much overall balance. Now let's say 11202 is my cash account and I wanted to know how much overall balance is present in that account. This can be for a particular month or various months together, but I wanted to know the balance present in this account. Let's say I have, for example, I have 20,000 or 30,000 balance in this account and I wanted to see whether it's 20,000 or 30,000 or 40,000 or some other balance. So that particular information against each account you will be able to get when you use inquire and analyze balances. When it comes to inquire on detailed balances, the same amount, the same account, we are going to use detailed balances, and with this, when we use this as an option, it gives you general information as well along with the balances, so that we can drill down to the general. When we click on amount, we can see what are all the various generals that has contributed to 20,000 or 30,000 or some x amount. When it comes to inquire on general lines, general information and general line level details also can be reviewed. Depending on what option we choose, accordingly the system will display the data for us. Inquire on Inquire on general lines means user has entered the cash account in these JVs, but whether it's line 2, line 3 and line 7. So with what option, it will give you the line level information, whether it's entered as debit or credit. All that information you will be able to get when we use the option called inquire on general lines. This breakup and details are provided based on the optionals we select. Note, only the posted generals balances data can be seen here. When we use inquire and analyze balances, only balances can be seen, and we can go this option with the closing balance for this particular account. Now we will see where to go. Click on navigator, click on general accounting, click on period close, click on task list or task pane. Now you can see the three options: inquire and analyze balances, inquire on general lines, inquire on detailed balances. Now we'll see inquire and analyze balances. So this is the screen, inquire and analyze balances. You will not understand the importance of these three options which was provided by Oracle, and it's very important when you are working on a supporting project, because when clients comes and ask they are having reconciliation issues, then this is the first placeholder where we can see the balances. So in a day-to-day operations, these three functions play a vital role when it comes to reconciliations. Now click on expand. Now click on expand. See 11202. 25,000 is the balance. And for the accounting period. For the accounting period 2020, May 2026. Now if you want to select some value here, the page level dimensions we can see, right? So from here you have to place this drag and drop. Amount type we will remove and place it over here. Yeah, now page element dimensions is empty, and if you want to place accounting period, you can place it over here. Now see, accounting period is there. Now you can select the another accounting period. Click on this LOV to select. Click on search. Now I want to go with another accounting period. I want to go with January 2017. Now hit OK to select the record. Now if you see, for January there are no balances. After selecting this, you have to hit refresh button so that it refreshes all the balances. Now we can see there is no value, there is no amount, there is no balance. In this way you can see inquire and analyze balances. There is a limitation at any given point of time when you want to see the balances for any of the previous months, and we have to drag and drop as I have demonstrated in the screen, and you can select the periods from LOV. Generally, we will not recommend this inquire and analyze balances to the client. We educate them to use inquire on detailed balances. Now we will see inquire on detailed balances. From here also you can go, click on search. May 26, hit OK. Select the record and click on OK. Click on refresh. See, if you see 25,000, if you click on this 25,000 amount, you can go inquire on detailed balances. This is one navigation. Click on done. Click on done. Click on home page. Click on navigator or hamburger icon. Click on general accounting. Click on period close. Click on task list or task pane. Now you can see from here also we can navigate to the same page. Inquire on detailed balances. Now give the search criteria. By combination and accounting period, system gives what is the beginning balance, what is the period activity, and what is the end balance, and if you want to see what are all the generals that has contributed for this amount. you have to click on amount. Now click on from accounting period. Select May 26. I want to go with May 26. And if you copy and paste the value over here, system will give you the error. We will see what is the error. Now take company, department as default. All departments, or go with all department values. Account, I want to go 111202. Product, all product values. Location, all location. Future, all future one values, all future two values. Now hit search. Now system has given you error. You must specify valid values for the accounting period dimensions. So what we have done previously, we have copied and pasted over here. So you have to select the two accounting period from the list of values or LOV. Now select May 2026 from here. Click on search, select the record and click on OK. Now hit search. So that system has not given any error. So like this you have to search. By combination and by accounting period, system gives what is the beginning balance, what is the period activity, what is the beginning balance, what is the period activity, and what is the end balance. And if we want to see what are all the generals that has been contributed to this amount, click on the amount, so that to drill down to the general part, and this is the JV that has contributed to that amount. If we observe, we have reached to general line level, since I am able to see the combination here. Combination. And see general name, and I can also observe the general line further. If we want to see the general, we will click on the general to drill down to the general page. Click on this hyperlink to drill down. This is the general which has contributed to the 25,000 amount. Using this, click on cancel, click on done. Using this, we can give range to accounting periods from start period to end period. Always select the value from the LOV, and we have populated the search criteria and hit search. And if we select multiple periods, by period wise, we can find different rows. If you select any different period, you can see a different row. Then we can see what is the beginning balance, period end activity, and what is the end balance. Beginning balance means this is the beginning balance. Let's say I have posted some journals in the month of May 2026. So sorry, let's say April 2026, and closing balance becomes the opening balance for the month of May 2026, and we arrive at the end balance is the beginning balance plus current month. That means we have entered this cash account with multiple journals. It takes all debits and credits, then it nets off positive or negative values, and the net amount will be shown in the period activity, and then it gives you the end balance. End balance is the closing balance for the natural account. We can recommend this option to the client to use, and when we ask them to click on period activity, to drill down to the generals, and it gives you the breakup, and these are the different generals. Click on period and activity, click on general to drill down, and these are the different activities, different generals where cash account was used for the month of May. And along with the breakup, it also gives the general information, what is the line of the general. This is how we can get complete details with the general line and the general information, whether it is debit or credit. Click on home. That's how you can leverage the account inspector in Oracle Fusion to streamline your financial analysis and reporting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN, and share this with your community. For more Oracle Fusion tutorials, check out our other videos linked below. Until next time, keep learning with ERPZEN. Thank you. Thank you very much.